So this is the pound dollar analysis for Thursday the 5th of July. Now let's just have a look at prices and where prices may likely go. So we've had price come pretty close towards this 30.93, almost for a perfect test. We've now had a break of the 31.47. We've also seen a break of the 31.93, brief pullback through the 31.93, but we've traded back above the 31.93, had a brief consolidation below the 32.20. Broke, retested 32.20, did hold the support, and we've seen this bullish buy side continuation here to the upside on the pound against the dollar. The very next level of note isn't very far away, in around that 32.81, successful break from which we'll be then looking for a move up towards that 33.04. And if we do see sufficient volatility here to the upside beyond the 33.04, the very next level of note, of course, is the 33.50, 33.68, after which, if there is sufficient volatility in the coming days, possibly move up towards that 34.29 here on the pound against the dollar. If, however, we do encounter resistance in around the 32.81 or 33.04, looking for a move back down towards this 32.20 to see if it does hold the support. With the added confluence of the 400 period moving average in around 32.20, it does increase the likelihood of seeing a bullish bounce. We'll see whether it does hold the support. Failing that, we'll be looking for a move down towards that 31.93 or possibly down towards that 31.47 here on the pound against the dollar. I wouldn't think there'll be enough volatility to bring us beyond 31.47, but if there is, 30.93 is the very next level of note here on the pound against dollar. What we'll do now is have a brief look here at the daily chart before wrapping up on the pound dollar. So on the pound dollar, we get scaling on here correct, and as we can see here, we've had lows, we've had lower lows, and we've had lower lows still. We didn't quite get down towards this 30.37. We've posted a rather large bullish candle, had a couple of inside days, and now we're seeing that break to the upside. We've had a pretty solid close over the past couple of days near the candle highs, pretty strong price action. So again, from a daily chart perspective, I suppose we are looking to see our prices behave in around our last swing high in the market, in around that 33.04. So we'll see our price direct towards that 33.04. And if we do successfully break from there, the very next level of note is all the way up at that 34.29, where we previously had this consolidation and we weren't able to break it and close above it in a decisive manner a couple of weeks ago. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the pound dollar analysis. Thanks for watching.